Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you a Aliexpress haul that I have. These are dating back to early March and we're just getting them here now. It usually does take anywhere from, for me, anywhere from a month to 2 months to get stuff from Aliexpress most of the time. So I thought I would share with you. The first one I got, trying to get some more dies, or Mendex dies, and I got this one here, and I love that it has the hearts and that on it. It's more of a Valentine's Day theme, but I thought it would be super cute to just add to it. It just says love you. Then this one here is they're more like a vintage film pieces and like a mitten stickers and all that stuff. So you have the car show type thing and going to a movie and those type of tickets and that. So adding that to my ephemera collection. And then this one is just another ticket related one. Same thing. It's more like I think this one's more like a bus tickets and that, so like that. And this one only has 17 pieces. The other one had like 70 some pieces, so it's that. And then I got this here, and this is super cute. This is the coffee and teacup, and it has a little spoon on it. Just take those out so we can. Sorry for the noise there. My neighbor is mowing his lawn. So it's just these here. Thought those were super cute. So that's that collection of dies. I'm looking forward to doing some stuff with that. I'm a tea drinker, so usually everything you see is coffee. So I like it when I can see the tea. And then I got this from KSC Crafts. KS Crafts, sorry, and I got this as well. So then I got the blender, so that was super cute. Looking forward to trying that out. And this is vellum pieces. These are like the silver, gold, and black. So you have more like the coffee or tea. It says hello, be strong. Good night. So I like that they're the foil type, so they really have a nice shine to it. You're fearless. I love that. Tomorrow's Friday, get ready. Well, that was yesterday. Free to move. Oh yeah, these are super cute. Always be joyful. Let's smile. Thank you. So I love that they have the sentiments, and those are pretty cute. Beautiful. Love that. Love never fails. Just be you. All right, so that's that one. Put that out of the way. This one you can see. So this one is more of they're the Judy Karen, and this is more of a love theme. So it's more like a Valentine's Day one as well. So ordered it back in March, shortly after Valentine's Day. So those are super cute, and a lot of. I'll go open it up and show you quickly some of the pieces. So that doesn't necessarily have to be for Valentine's Day, so hey, hot stuff, you can use these throughout, that doesn't matter. Oh, those are cute pieces. I love the pink and the gold. So those will be great. Push those off to the side. I love the little gold hearts. This one we can see on the back. So this is no name for that one. So it has the dream catcher shine, and the bicycle, the day timer, and the heart, and the camera, air balloon, typewriter, another camera, and that. So those are Really, really cute. And then this one is another Judy Karen, and this is a mermaid theme, so I thought that would be really cute to see those colors right now for the spring and summer. So, oh, look at that one with the, I love it. Oh, I love you. The mermaids, oh, those are going to be really cute to work with. Boom. Yeah. Stay golden, chill out. That's party. Oh, those are cute houses. Nice. Oh, I love the kite. There we go. So we got more of them. And then I have this one here. This is more, again, I apologize for the neighbors mowing the lawn, but I guess you gotta do what you gotta do. So this one has shine and bright and has pineapple, you and me so happy, oh, and has the flamingo. So I can't remember what I ordered, so now looking at them I'm pretty excited for it. And it has a lot of the gold in it as well. Gold and pink and greens with some black, which is the colors that I love to work with. Now I just got to start creating some more things. This is music sheet vellum paper. I've been doing a project right now with vellum paper. These are nice little pieces. That'd be nice in daytimers and that stuff with the vintage look to it. Perfect. And then the last piece I have is another heart die. I can't remember what this piece is. I'm not sure what these three pieces are for, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. But yeah, so that's that one. It has a little banner under it, so that would be cute. So that'd be more Valentine's Day, and I can put them away, but you can still use the hearts anytime, obviously. So that's what I have for AliExpress, and I think that's all I have. Yep, that's all I have. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.